Gusto ko ng dumpling. Mag-try na. Hello, dumpling. Going twice, going thrice. I'm gonna trade my dumpling. At ito yung titry ko. Guys, i-boxing ko muna to. Box com to. Mahirap. Ako, ayun. Wala na ko Bye! Yan guys, yung lagayan ng dumpling niya. Happy na happy siya, oh, gold.